Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace quarter window on Chevy Silverado 1500 or 1. Sometimes it's called rear window. So in order to do that, you need to take that plastic cover. It was kind of tough for me, but I used the spray called Goof Off. It helps to loosen it, so you have to give it time like 10-15 minutes. I thought it would be nice to show what kind of issues I was having. One of them is this plastic part. It was really hard to get it, and I used the petty knife. But before using petty knife, I sprayed the spray that I showed previously. It helped to loosen the glue. So I wiggled it a little bit, and yeah, that's how I did it. After giving it a little bit wiggle, finally I got the last part out. And then we're gonna scrape around the window in order to get the old glue. After scraping around the window frame, we're gonna use glue. The glue, it's not like old school glue, it's not liquid, it's kind of rubberish. It's called window weld ribbon sealer. You can use the liquid glue, but this one is way easier, and I prefer this way because there's no need to have the glue gun. The glue looks like this. You need to put the glue all around the window frame, but you need to start from the top and work your way down. In the process of putting the glue, there is gonna be spaces that you need to connect, and just simply attach them with your fingers, and that's it. They will get attached. Please don't forget to do the rest. And this is how it should look like when you are done. Thanks a lot for watching. Please support my channel by giving a thumbs up and subscribe.